Welcome to 7016 Fontana Drive. This nice 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, brick ranch style home with a 1-car carport, covered front porch, fenced backyard, and hardwood and tile floors throughout inside. It's located off of Leesburg Road in the Mountainbrook subdivision in Southeast Columbia. Convenient to I-77, VA Hospital, in Fort Jackson. So we're out in the front yard now. You can see there are some mature trees in the front yard. It's a nice sized lot. You do have a driveway here on the left side leading up to the 1-car carport. Then you have a laundry room off of that we'll take a look at when we go out back. But you see there's a walkway here coming from the driveway. Takes you up to the front porch. So nice size covered front porch, and then we enter into the formal living room in the home. So you have real hardwood floors throughout most of the living areas and the bedrooms. I believe with the exception of the family room that you'll see. There's also some tile in the entry as you come in as well. Nice set of large windows looking out towards the front. Then you continue to your left here into the formal dining room, which connects to the kitchen, which you can see through there. So the kitchen has the updated tile flooring. I believe it's a vinyl tile product. Very attractive. It goes from the kitchen and in through to the family room there as well. Kitchen's been updated with granite countertops. You have a dishwasher, smooth top electric range under the counter, and a wall oven, as well as a side-by-side refrigerator on the left side here. Now before we go this way, let's actually take a look out back quickly. The access to the outside space is through the door in the kitchen. So you can see back into the carport, and then right across from the door to the kitchen you do have a laundry room outside as well, full-size washer and dryer connections in here. I apologize about the lack of light, so we can adjust that some for you. And then in the backyard you have a brick patio sort of raised off of the ground a little bit. There also is a storage shed, workshop as well. There are outlets in there as well, so I do believe it's powered. And you also have the fenced backyard as well. And again, you can see nice sized trees also. So back inside, we'll go into the family room at the back of the home. There is another access from here straight out to that patio as well. The tile flooring continues, and we do have a wood burning fireplace wall with some exposed brick and some built-in shelving along the back. And this lets us right back out into the hallway that is off of the formal living room where we entered. You have a coat closet here at the beginning of the hall, and as we go down on the left side there is a full bathroom. Tile floors. You have a single vanity, pedestal sink, and medicine cabinet there. Commode's back in the corner, and it's pretty much tiled up the walls and the tub as well. And then you do have a tub and shower. And then next on your right here you have another bedroom, or one of 3 bedrooms. Ceiling fan in here, as well as a nice sized closet you can see. And the space sort of goes back behind the door on both sides. At the end of the closet there is, end of the hall, there is a linen closet here as well. More storage. Another bedroom to your right. Nice size, has a ceiling fan as well, faces the front as does the one we just looked at. This one has 2 closets on the back wall. Those did not connect in the middle. So there is a wall that divides them. And then right across the hall, last but not least, you have your master suite. Ceiling fan in here as well. This one faces sort of the back and the right side of the house if you're looking from the front. And then you have 2 closets in here as well. Same setup as in the last bedroom. And then you also have a full bathroom. It's closed off by another update, which is the sliding barn style door that goes into the bathroom. And you do have double vanity with the granite countertops in here as well as a shower, glass door, and that enclosure's been updated. And then we'll just get you a view of the other side of the bathroom as well. You do also have a window in here that faces out towards the back. So I believe that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 7016 Fontana Drive out in Southeast Columbia. You can find out more information about this property by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.